What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Jay Seals, and I've got a crazy story to share with everyone. So I'm a huge gamer, and this story brings me nothing but joy. So let's get into it. Fortnite developer Epic Games funds new P2E blockchain game. All right, so Fortnite developer Epic Games is funding Grease Monkey Games to develop a blockchain play-to-earn racing game. Grease Monkey Games is a subsidiary of Emoco Brands, a Hong Kong-based software company, and the game will be a racing game named Torque Drift 2. All right, so some details. Recipients of Epic Mega Grant span more than 89 nations. Torque Drift 2's new drift mechanics will be developed with the aid of the Mega Grant. The move will allow the firm to create its most realistic and immersive motorsport game yet. The game is an example of the next wave of blockchain-based motorsports products. Moreover, the game gives players the actual digital ownership over game assets through the use of fully playable functional NFTs. The first drift game was released in March 2020. The game was critically acclaimed and had very high ratings. Furthermore, the Fortnite creators stated last October that they are open to crypto and blockchain-based gaming. Being one of the biggest and most successful game developers on the scene, it is no surprise that the company is opening the door to blockchain-based gaming. In addition, NFT and blockchain-based play-to-earn gaming is one of the fastest growing aspects of the crypto world. So this is absolutely insane. Epic Games is one of the biggest gaming companies in the space, and for them to be backing a game like this is huge. And let's just take a look at the game real fast. So Torque Drift 2 is in development right now. However, the graphics look like graphics that is on, a PlayStation or Xbox or computer. I mean, these are like high-powered graphics right here. So not your average game that we've been seeing. The phone-based games or the little 2D graphics. This ain't it. This is like your GTAs or your Maddens or whatever type of sports game you might play. So you can collect NFTs. You earn and collect real-world licensed NFTs, parts, cars, decals, and items to build up your car. So that's kind of how it goes. You can sell and trade your items, and you build unique cars, and they have special events. So all this is done through NFTs. I believe somewhere on this website they actually have their actual here it is. So on the website right here, torquemotorsport.io, you can actually see the game in action right here. You can see the nice graphics. I mean, this thing looks amazing. You can watch the trailer. You can come down over here and you can see all the NFTs. They have the whitelist, and these are the actual NFTs you can collect. So it's really insane that Fortnite is partnering with a project of this scale, and it's very, very, very good for NFT space and for the play to earn space in general. Thank you guys for tuning in to ClearCryptos. I really hope you enjoyed the story. If you're really excited about the gaming space in crypto, please leave a comment and let me know what you're most excited for. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.